My name is Stephen Ramilli. I am a mechanical engineer and project manager here at the McMaster Manufacturing Research Institute, which is part of the Department of Mechanical Engineering at McMaster University. We're a group of about 30 PhD students and master's students being supervised by a number of postdoctoral fellows, mechanical engineers, material scientists, and ultimately all led by our director, Dr. Stephen Veldhuis. So we at the McMaster Manufacturing Research Institute are focused on partnering with industry to combine academic research to deliver meaningful, productive results for our manufacturing facility. We provide an open space for our industry partners to replicate their operations on our shop floor using our industry-level computer-controlled machines. We also like to provide an opportunity for our industry partners to view emerging technologies. We can showcase new and exciting technologies that might be beneficial to their processes without having to disrupt their shop floors or interrupt their production operations. Our research is mainly focused in the areas of advanced manufacturing and tooling. Some of our other focuses are the development of custom coatings for machine tools. We have researchers involved in advanced polymer processing techniques and testing, as well as microscale machining and additive manufacturing or 3D printing. So what we do here at the MMRI is very important to industry because we're working to combine academic research and the knowledge that already exists in production facilities to increase the overall productivity of our industrial partners. The needs of manufacturing are always changing. Consider demands on manufacturers to produce lighter weight parts, for example, in automotive or aerospace. The only way you're going to be able to reduce the overall weight without reducing carrying capacity, for example, is to use lighter weight parts. Lighter weight parts means stronger materials, and stronger materials demand new techniques for being able to machine them and produce parts in a relatively similar level of productivity. Our goal here is to leverage our academic research, our industry-level machinery, and our information that comes from our strong partnerships with industry to provide meaningful, productive results for our industrial partners.